Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into these locks because listen, I need a retwist and I'm going to do some rope twists. I'm going to take you along with me as I do a little bit of lock maintenance. Of course, I'm not going to record the whole thing. That would be entirely too long, but I'm going to show you what my process is. So if you want to see how I do rope twists, then stay tuned. All right, I'm getting ready to get started. I only need a couple of products to do my hair today. So I'm going to start off with this hydrating hair and beard juice, which is by Tiff Honeycomb. Small business, and I wanted to support. This is a great hair moisturizer. So it's for all hair types. It's vegan friendly, color safe. I love it. It's infused with aloe vera juice, so really good, especially for locks. Y'all, I use this a lot. I have only like half of the bottle left, but I love this. I am going to link her information below. So in addition to using the hair juice, I am going to moisturize my hair with some oil. This is a mixture that I use, so I put some castor oil, some jojoba oil, and some olive oil in here. So this is what I'm going to be using after I spray it down really good. And then to twist, instead of using a lock pomade or some type of locking gel, this time I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel. For the oil that I mixed up, I'll just link the individual oils that you can mix together to get this. Let's get started. I'm so excited because my roots, ooh child, I really need to get this done. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my hair with this hydrating hair and beard juice. I'm going to do this in sections because I want you all to see what I'm doing, at least for the front. I'm gonna let you all see what I'm doing, and then I'll probably speed through. I keep looking over because I have a mirror over here, and we're going to work with this section right here first. Got my beard juice, and I'm going to spray, and I spray the whole length of my lock because you don't want to do your locks when they're dry. I'm gonna take my oil and just kind of get into the root. Oh, and y'all excuse my grays. I do have some gray hairs up in there.
God, you are aging so rapidly.
So I'm actually going to take a little bit in my hand too and go down the length of my locks, just to seal in that moisture. And I'm going to start with the front. Usually I start my hair in the back and work my way up, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start from the front so that you all can see. I am not so much worried about my parts. My locks fall where they may. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of aloe vera gel and put some on my fingertips. Go into this first lock. And I twist my locks clockwise. We're going to twist this clockwise. It's like a clockwise palm roll. Then I'm going to take another one, add a little bit of this gel to it. I'm going to twist this one clockwise. I'm going to do 4 lock strands per twist. All right, I'm going to take this one. As you can see, this one actually has 2 that I combined together. So I'm going to just leave this as 1. Get my gel. And I'm going to add some to the root. Hopefully you all can see that. And then just twist, palm roll. Clockwise. Okay, so now that I have those twisted clockwise, I'm going to take the strands and twist them over each other counterclockwise. So you twist them, palm roll them clockwise, and you twist them counterclockwise. And then as you twist, you want to make sure that you're like twisting in that direction. So just kind of, you know, twist your wrists so that they twist all the way down. This will help them to keep from unraveling. So just twist, twist. And this is going to give it a nice tight hold. And I am going to do a couple more so that you all can see. So usually when I'm retwisting my locks, I'm watching like some type of a show or something. Maybe a movie on Netflix or whatever. So that's what I do. Alright, so now it's twisted to the end. I'm actually going to let that go for a second. And as you can see, I let it go and it's still twisted. What I'm going to do with these ends, I'm going to fold these under like that and then add the rubber band to the end. And I'm not going to make the rubber band too tight, maybe going around like 3 times on the rubber band. And then that is how it looks. Look at that. Super, super cute. So that is the rope twist. All right, I'm going to do another one so that you all can see. All right, so we're going to start with this one. Take a little aloe vera gel. I'm going to palm roll this one. So twist and palm roll that one. And that's how it looks. Go ahead and put my clip on to hold it, because remember, we're going to do 4 per rope twist. So grab the next one. Do some more gel. Palm roll. And we're going to clip this one. And moving to this next one. Again, no, I am not concerned about my parts at all. When I retwist my locks, I just feel for, you know, where it's supposed to be. I grab it and keep it moving. That's how I do it. I know some people are really, really a stickler about their parts, but I'm just not.
Clearly I'm not.
All right, so that's the third one. And let's grab one more. Put some gel on it. Again, just kind of feeling for it. And palm roll. Okay. So now we have all 4. And what I'm going to do, I just took the clip off. I'm going to take these 4. And remember, palm roll them clockwise. You're going to twist them counterclockwise. So, going back the other way with the twisting. Make sure you twist as you go down. You want to make sure you twist as you go. Twist. Twist. And I love that it gives it a nice tight hold without being way too tight. Because you don't want to, you know, pull it too much at the roots. But you want a nice tight hold on your rope twist. So here we go. So getting down to the ends. Sorry, y'all. I'm looking in the viewfinder instead of looking at the camera.
That's true.
Now we have a nice tight twist. And as you can see, it's some more still left out at the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around I'm just gonna wrap it around like that and put a rubber band on it. So easy. There we go. We got our first 2 rope twists. I think you all kind of get the idea. What I'm going to do is go ahead and twist some more, and then I'll come back in a minute so that you all can see how the rest of it is turning out. All right, so I'm just going to speed through a couple. Look at this. They look so nice. Coming out nicely. I need some of this out of my face.
I know you better get out of my face! Out of my face! Out of my face!
I am not a loctician by far. And I do not do locks for other people. This is just how I maintain my own locks. I like doing my locks myself. I used to go to a loctician, and I used to go to another young lady, and though they did a fabulous job on my locks, I was just like, you know what? I can probably do these things myself.
I can deal with that.
Now, unless it's a special occasion or something, then I generally do my locks myself. I know people have different views on doing your locks yourself and why you should or shouldn't, but I don't worry about that either. This is what I want to do.
Whatever, I'll do what I want.
If you feel more comfortable going to get your locks done, then absolutely do that. But I think lock maintenance overall is pretty easy once you get a routine down and kind of know what you're doing. The key thing for sure with your locks is to keep them moisturized. So water and oil, that's all you need to moisturize your lock. Listen, as you're on your lock journey, don't try to compare your locks to other people's locks, because everybody's journey is different.
Wait a minute. Don't compare. Don't compare yourself to me.
They would never make.
Like, how fast your locks grow is based on what you put in it. It's based on a whole lot of different factors. So just because you started your locks at a certain period of time and someone else's locks may be a little longer and they may have started at the same time as you, don't take it personally. I've been in this lock game for 13 years.
What?
I know people are like, at 13 years your locks should be down your butt. Now, they would have been. However, I cut them. So about, let's say 4 or 5 years ago, I cut my locks. I didn't cut them completely off. I cut them into a bob style. So I'm going to see if I can find a picture to insert. So my locks were very long, you know, maybe a little bit longer than what they are now, and I cut them. Everybody was like, oh my gosh, you cut your locks? Yeah, I cut my locks because it's hair and it'll grow back. I don't trip over cutting your locks, especially if you want to cut it into a style or something like that. Like, it's all based on what you want to do. Do what you want to do, whatever makes you happy in your lock journey. And what made me happy at that time was cutting them, because it was right before, it was like right at springtime and it was getting warm and I just wanted something different. I enjoyed it while it was cut, and to be honest, I was contemplating cutting them again sometime this year. I don't know. I may or may not. Of course, I will keep you all updated if I do, but I mean, it's hair, and hair will grow back unless you have like some kind of illness, or if you're on medication or something like that, then that may hinder it growing back. But as long as you're healthy and your hair is in a healthy state, it'll grow back. And as you can see, my locks are a nice length after cutting them so short. I am most certainly going to get color back into my locks. So usually around this time of year is when I dye my hair like a reddish color, maybe like a burgundy, or I may go with like a orangey color. What color do you all think I should dye my hair? Should I do like a burnt orange? Should I do like a brighter orange? Now what I won't do is like, you know, those purples and blues and greens and, you know, those kind of colors. Now I'm more of a you know, red, orange, auburn, brown. Don't say nothing crazy. But let me know what you think. So y'all see the ends. The ends were lifted years ago. And actually, when it was lifted, it wasn't the ends. It was actually, you know, from root to tip. So because it's grown out, it looks like I dyed the tips. Like, I'm not going to lift it again. I'm not going to bleach it again. Whatever color I get, I'm going to put on top of what I already have. It's definitely going to be something bright enough to cover my hair. Because my hair isn't like black. It's not jet black or anything like that. My hair is brown, so it takes on color pretty well. Now, for color, I will go and get my hair done. Because I tried the self-coloring at home, and listen, another part of life is learning your limitations. And that's a limit for me. That's a hard limit. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that myself.
No.
I am going to go and have a professional do my color. So yeah, I'll be looking in the comments for you all to tell me what color you think I should go with. For those who have locks, who are watching my channel, do you maintain your own locks? If so, let me know. And if you happen to have a channel where you're maintaining locks, show me your channel too. I will absolutely go over there and support, because I believe that we all have something that we can offer each other, especially in the lock community. The lock community is amazing. I'm going to get back to work and getting these twisted. Hey, I am back. Hair is done and looking amazing. It's all nourished and retwisted, and my roots not all bushy like it was at first. But I love this style. I love that it's quick. It's something I can do while I retwist. And yeah, it's just really cute. It's like a 2-in-1. So I can wear it like this for about a week or two, and then wear it as a twist out for a week or two. I absolutely love it. Have you all ever tried the rope twist in your hair? If you have, let me know in the comments. This came out really, really good, y'all. Really good. Do you see? I'm gonna let you get a closer look. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know how much you like this video so that I can continue posting more lock videos for you. Thank you all for hanging out with me. I will be back with another video on Wednesday, so I will see you then.